Just a second. Yeah. I'm gonna give myself a little knock right up, baby. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, there she goes.
Right on. Okay.
This piece of crap we found in the bush, and we're doing our. Come on!
Juice Andy. Well, we got it from all the way over there.
Yeah.
All the way over to there.
Ways, actually.
It doesn't like this hill here. There you go.
So much freaking sand.
Yeah.
I hope it's running, Jen. Is it running, Jen?
Is there a red dot at the top? Yeah, it's running.
Ready to go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go, 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 go! Good! Good! Whoa! Right on!
Awesome.
Oh, that's good. That's plenty good. We'll have a few quads out tonight. We'll rip this right to the field. That's a snow machine jump for the winter. After the snow fills in, you'll feel the voids. How was that, baby?
That was fun.
That was good.
And you didn't think we fell far.
I didn't know. I didn't dig it at all. The grass really kept her going. Yeah. 9 months pregnant. That's a redneck pregnancy, I guess.